Hey guys, today I'm showing you this wall clock. I'm trying to show the unboxing and how this thing works so that it will help you in your buy or purchase if you like this type of wall clocks. So first of all, my first impression that it's a really lightweight, and you can see that it's of all plastic, very lightweight, very common classic design. This comes with this hook that like a star shape that you can put in the wall, and then you can stick this clock on it. So I'm just putting in the battery and setting up the time, and you can see how slowly without any noise it's moving. It's very nice movement. There's no noise at all, or the no sound for moving or doing this. So this is how it looks on my wall. I just put it. It's really a nice wall clock.